A new report by TYT Investigates indicates that the Department of Justice's Office for Immigration Review frequently shares articles from right-wing website Breitbart News with its employees. Now, they don't do it to laugh at Breitbart News, which is what any serious organization would do, because this is legitimately an alt-right smear website. But they do share the memos or the articles as a way of informing members of the DOJ. Devastating. According to Ken Klippenstein, who wrote this report, the memos provided to TYT by a Justice Department official are daily morning briefing emails sent from the EOIR's Public Affairs Office to all employees. The briefings include articles with titles including "Study: Sanctuary Cities Stop Deportation of Illegal Aliens from Terrorist-Sponsored Nations," and "More than 500,000 illegal aliens expected to be freed into the US this year." By the way, the Southern Poverty Law Center, a nonprofit group that monitors hate groups, has criticized Breitbart News for its embrace of extremist ideas and racist tropes. And by the way, Steve Bannon has admitted that Breitbart is a publication for the alt-right. In 2016, Bannon declared the website the platform for the alt-right.
That seems complicated, or perhaps pretty straightforward.
Right.
So they got in trouble before because Milo reached out to neo-Nazi and white supremacist groups to write what was basically the thesis for the alt-right that Breitbart published, and they also have deeply partisan, of course, titles like "GOP's Recycled Children Drama Beats Democrats' Family Separation Claim." So look, if you, and by the way, what is this office in particular? It's the Executive Office for Immigration Review at the Justice Department. So the people inside that office that are supposed to be taking their jobs very seriously are getting nonsense propaganda from right-wing sites like Breitbart and going, "Oh, okay, what should we do about the illegals?" And they're sending that around in memos to all the staff at that particular division to say like, hey, understand that this is what should inform your decision making as you make decisions about what to do with immigrants. The TYT Plus app is now available on iOS and Android. Download to get more TYT content at tyt.com/app.